Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Tesla Model Y Juniper. This updated model introduces a sleek new exterior, featuring distinctive full-width light bars and a more aerodynamic profile. Inside, you'll immediately notice a quieter cabin, thanks to advanced acoustic glass and improved insulation. These enhancements contribute to a more refined driving experience and an extended range, making every journey more enjoyable and efficient. Step inside the Model Y Juniper and discover a host of premium upgrades designed for comfort and convenience. Rear passengers now have their own 8-inch touchscreen to manage climate settings and entertainment. Up front, enjoy the luxury of ventilated seats and customizable ambient lighting that wraps around the cabin. The expansive 15.4-inch central touchscreen remains your command center for all vehicle functions. The Model Y Juniper delivers a noticeably improved driving experience. Its updated suspension provides a smoother, more forgiving ride, absorbing road imperfections with ease. You'll appreciate the significantly quieter cabin, with a 22% reduction in road noise and 51% less vibration on rough surfaces. This model also offers robust performance, with the all-wheel drive variant accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in a swift 4.3 seconds. Charging your Model Y Juniper is straightforward and efficient, with the long-range all-wheel drive model offering an impressive 551 kilometers of range. The vehicle integrates advanced driver assistance features, providing an extra layer of safety and convenience on your journeys. You'll also benefit from enhanced connectivity, featuring double the Wi-Fi range and 10 times faster phone recognition, ensuring seamless integration with your digital life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.